Time for Fisher Brad to show you how to put the reel in motion with the poles and the camera while recording fish approaching. Got the nickname growing up. It was chosen by the hometown folks when noticing his devotion. Traveling from small creek to the biggest ocean, he'll be catching every monster and feeling thrilled emotions. Whether it's summer or whenever water is frozen, he's always holding trophies up and getting vids posted.
Okay, he's here. I'm gonna go get him real quick. Just gonna kind of throw my spud a little bit. Let the water come off that side. Maybe I can break this up, move it down this way, and just walk it. Huh? You're gonna have to jump across. There you go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Hey, now walk to the left, but don't walk to the right over here. It's shallower. Just stay left right here and you're good to go. Hey guys, it's the Fisher Brad, and in today's video, I wanted to give you guys some tips. If you're new to ice fishing, the first tip you guys need to know is that the ice closest to shore is always shallowest. As you can see here, I'm trying to push ice on top of ice. This will allow it to be thicker and allow it to float better. That will help us be able to jump right across. As you can see here, I threw across my spud. You do not want to do this unless you know the actual ice that you're jumping on. Since I was previously on this ice, I was safely able to throw it across. Once you're across, you are good to go. Just make sure you watch out for drains, any kind of inlet water that will make the ice shallower. If you are new to ice fishing and you see guys on the ice, make sure to just shout out, say, hey, how'd you guys get on? Please do not destroy the boat ramp ice. This makes it extremely difficult for people to get off and on the ice. For today's rig, I'm running a Pink Tiger tungsten jig. Next, I have a plusinno barrel swivel. Then I'm running a bobber that is just free fall on the line. This will help protect your line from getting cut on the ice. This is a big fish, guys. Big steelhead or big Atlantic salmon. Not sure what one it is yet. But it's big. It's big. Okay guys, this is huge. It's finally getting tired out. Gotta keep it away from that ice. Great, lovely ice fishing day. 17-mile-per-hour winds, but we're hooking into some nice, huge fish. Still haven't seen this fish yet. It's big. Okay, it's coming in. It's coming in. I think I tired him out, guys. Here's the barrel swivel. And it's going again. This might be a huge Atlantic. Oh, I thought it just snapped. This is a monster. Okay, here's the barrel swivel. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's huge, guys. It's freaking huge. I don't know what that is. I think it's a monster steely. Oh gosh. Cannot lose this fish. This is probably the biggest fish I pulled out so far this season. If I can get its head to turn in here, that'd be great. It's so close to being done. It's a monster. Tank. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's a gorgeous steely. Gorgeous steelhead. Oh, the colors on it were phenomenal. It's not giving up easy though, guys. It's really not. There it is. And there it goes. Okay, it's coming again. It's going again. Here it is. Let's see if I can try to now. Oh, nope, nope, nope. He's going back out. You don't like the way this hole looks. I'll tell you that much. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that pretty fish. Almost. Almost. Can we get him up? Can we get him up? Almost. Almost. Oh, I would have lost and I would have just made a rookie mistake. Oh, that'd have been horrible. Line actually got tangled up in my rod handle. Thought that was it. But we still got him. Just gotta try to baby him in here. Take as much line as I can get. Really upsetting I forgot my gaff. But we're gonna get him in. He's coming in, coming in. Just gotta get him in the hole. Got it, there we go. Got him! Got him! Look at that! Ooh. Right here is the Plusinno tackle box. This is their 397 piece kit. I actually use this kit for split shots and barrel swivels, and I just recently got it, so there's a wide variety of other things I can use for this. But you just simply pop these open, easy access to everything. Typically for ice fishing, I would use these split shots to carry down a minnow into the water, use these barrel swivels to tie on for our rigs that I just showed, and then there's also a variety of hooks and other weights as well.
Okay, I got him.
Heck yeah, man.
Easy, 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 easy. Keep doing what you're doing. You want to grab him?
I'll grab him.
Okay.
Oh, it's a big one, dude.
Come on, Dylan.
Big one.
Come on, Dylan. No.
Watch the ice, watch the ice, watch the ice. I think it's a big Atlantic. I think it's a big Atlantic.
Come on, Dylan.
Oh. Oh, Mike. That's nice, right? Oh, oh,
shit.
Oh, oh, another pike. That's a big one, though. keeper.
Keeper.
Nice. Right here is my new Waterland sunglasses. Right here is the new Autumn series. They look sweet and stylish, but they help you see clear as day through the water. Definitely check them out and order yourself a pair. Right after your trip is over, I highly recommend getting a boot warmer. They allow my Hysia boots to stay warm and dry every single day that I go out. After my fishing trip, I just put them on the heater and they're good to go for the next morning.